Citizens Energy Group provides safe, reliable drinking water to more than 340,000 homes and businesses daily. Since acquiring the water and wastewater utilities from the City of Indianapolis in 2011, Citizens has been upgrading and maintaining the century-old water system. Drinking water that leaves Citizens water treatment plants is subject to regular testing and does not contain lead. However, some buildings constructed and connected to the water system prior to 1950 may have customer-owned lead water service lines. It is important to note that most homes with a lead service line or plumbing components do not have elevated levels of lead in the tap water, but replacing lead service lines can help prevent elevated levels in the future. To help the customers in our service area proactively process, identify, and remove all lead service lines from the system, Citizens has implemented the Lead Service Line Replacement Program, a multi-year program designed to replace customer-owned lead water service lines across Citizens Energy Group's water service territory. Through the Lead Service Line Replacement Program, this work is performed at no additional cost to the customer or property owner within a project area. The service line is the underground pipe that carries water from the water main under the street to a customer's property. If the service line is made of lead, it will be replaced from the main to the building. An estimated 55,000 to 75,000 buildings in Citizens service area have customer-owned lead service lines. Many of these homes and buildings were constructed prior to 1950, when the use of lead in plumbing was common. To discover buildings that need their service line replaced, Citizens has identified neighborhoods based on the age of the homes and buildings, existing infrastructure improvement projects, and utility asset data. With this information in hand, Citizens will conduct a proactive lead service line replacement project in the area. The project will include block-by-block outreach to identify lead service lines. Once the property owner signs the right of entry agreement, Citizens will conduct an inspection. If a lead service line is identified, Citizens will schedule a time for replacement. This work requires access to the property grounds and building interior to fully remove and replace the service line. Once finished, the contractors will flush the plumbing. If you are notified that your neighborhood has been targeted for lead service line replacement, be on the lookout for communications from Citizens. The Lead Service Line Replacement Program is a proactive, essential part of Citizens' continued commitment to providing safe and reliable drinking water to all customers.